What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So for those of you that follow the channel, you know we just recently got our hands on that CMF Phone 1 by nothing. And one of the things that came to light about this, unsurprisingly, it did not come with a power brick in box. It's to be expected now. All the big players are doing it, so obviously it all trickles down. But a question came up: what is the best charger for this phone to get the absolute fastest charging time? So the CMF Nothing Phone 1 does charge at a max charging rate of 33 watts. This is somewhat on the lower end of what a lot of other manufacturers are including in their phone at any price point. So even at $200, hearing 33 watts, not the worst, but it's definitely not the best out there. I want to show you what charger we would recommend, and spoiler alert, it's one of the most tried and true ones we even use for our iPhone 15 Pro Max, our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yeah, we use it with all of our variants we have, so this is a good one to utilize throughout any life cycle of phones you might pick up. I'm also going to add in a bonus one. I'll give you a heads up right now. It's one of those fancy charging cables with the actual voltage meter, so you can see just how quick it is charging, and if it's using power delivery or USB PD. So yeah, making this video short and sweet for you guys today. Let's go take a look. Okay, so right off the bat, this is going to be the charger you're going to look for. It is definitely compact. It is that typical Anker charger, again, that we've used forever. And you can see right here, this is the 313 charger that actually charges up to 45 watts. So again, this is how we are able to use these with any other compatible phone that would require 45 watts or less. And for the most part, that is going to be the majority of chargers out there and phones out there. So yes, you can get them with higher capacity, but the travel size of this, I love it that the prongs will actually flip up, so you don't have to worry about that at all. This will actually charge your phone in the fastest capacity possible within actually 20% to 100% in about an hour. Again, not knocking the socks off anyone, but I do feel like this is possibly one of your best options out there. Now, like I was also alluding to in that introduction, this is one of the other charging cables we do highly recommend, and I love it, especially if you want one of those LED screens to see what it's charging at. Let me go ahead and actually plug this in for you and give you guys a quick look. Okay, as you guys can see, we have it all plugged in. It is a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is obviously, I think, the best option to go with nowadays. And whenever you're ready, you simply plug it in and you can get your wattage right there. Obviously, this is fully charged, so you're not going to need any additional charging right now. But just from a clean standpoint, I think this is one of the best out there. One other call out why I purposely did select this cable: it is narrower at the head, and if you are utilizing a case with any of your phones, and even again, obviously we use our iPhone 15 Pro Max as one of our daily phones, we use a case on that. This will actually fit in a case protector too, whereas some of the other charging cables we've had issues fitting into a case. For those of you that have had that experience, I'm sure you're well aware of what we're talking about. So yeah, again, very simple, short, quick video for you guys today. Let me unplug this for you again so you guys can see it right here. Anker 313 charger, 45 watts. Don't get confused. We'll throw that affiliate link up down below. There are a ton of these bricks that look very similar, but this is definitely tried and true. We have a ton of these around the house that we've actually been using for quite some time. So let me know what you think down below. Do you have any other recommendations? Let our other viewers know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.